Hmm. So, hi dear Aquarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 3rd till the 9th of November 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Aquarius, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we have. We have the Seven of Swords, the Page of Swords, the Devil. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. This is a very toxic and obsessive kind of connection or bond. There is some kind of secret that came out, or you guys were trying to figure out something that was off in the situation, some kind of manipulation, cheating, something happening behind your back. Either you guys got to know about it, or you guys were trying your best to reveal a secret, like get a secret reveal of the other person here. And maybe because it's in the mutual energy, both of you were not able to trust each other. There are severe trust issues in the situation, and at the same time there is serious energy of obsessiveness, possessiveness, and unhealthy attachment, unhealthy kind of bonding between you guys. This is toxic, this is unhealthy, and both of you know it, and still both of you are not able to completely detach. Although maybe physically both of you are at a distance from each other, but still both of you are energetically holding a lot of space for each other in your lives, in your individual lives. And as a connection, as a bond, this connection is very toxic, very unhealthy, codependent, but at the same time you guys are not able to detach completely. It's like something here is off, something here is deceptive, and both of you know it. Even if you guys don't understand what that actually is, the deceptive energy, uh, you guys know there's something off, there's something deceptive, and it's from both the sides, and both of you are trying to figure it out. Both of you are trying to figure it out from a distance, but both of you are still obsessed with the idea of being with each other, or staying in touch with each other, or staying connected. It's unhealthy, basically. Something here in the situation is very unhealthy. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. But like from inside, both of you feel like at some point of time, if you guys are going to put in the effort and energy, everything will start working out. Everything is going to be fine. You guys will be able to sort it out. This is going to be okay. How? You don't know. But you feel like that from inside, deep rooted energy. So the mutual energy here is of being curious about each other, what the other person is up to, trying to understand what they are trying to hide, both of you, for each other. And the lesson here for this week is the Devil. This is unhealthy and you know it. So work on this consciously, this unhealthy, this toxicity. You guys have to work on it on a conscious level to make it healthy, to make it something beautiful, something meaningful. Okay, let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see, Aquarius, what's happening. Ten of Wands. This person is feeling this is a very heavy and burdensome kind of energy that they're carrying on their shoulders, and they feel like dropping this burdensome and heavy energy. Okay, it's like this situation is weighing them down emotionally, and they're trying their best to drop this burdensome and heavy energies out of their system. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands here. We have the Temperance, the King of Wands, the Ten of Cups. This person is feeling like patiently waiting for the time when you guys will be able to do something about this bond, and this person is still holding on to this wish, or this desire of theirs to have some kind of happily ever after kind of a deal with you. to have kids with you, to have a family with you, to get married to you, to get settled with you. But right now, this weight, this patience, this energy of wanting to have something long term with you is weighing them down. It's stressing the hell out of them. And they're trying to drop this expectation, drop this desire. Not you, this desire. Because it's heavy and burdensome. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Two of Cups. So you feel a soulmate kind of connection, soulmate kind of bond between you and this particular person and energy. You feel like a deep rooted bond, deep rooted connection with each other. Let's clarify the Two of Cups here. We have the Empress, the Knight of Cups, and Page of Wands. You are in love with this person, Aquarius. You cannot lie to me. Cannot lie to yourself. You feel like having growth and expansion with this person. You feel like giving a fresh offer to this person to start from the start and make the situation go to a very deeper level of a soulmate kind of a dynamic. So you feel love for this person. You feel like you guys should sort it out with each other, and you guys should start from the start with the innocent childlike energy, with the friendship kind of a deal, and you guys should make this situation go to the next level, go to the deeper level of growth and expansion and happiness, of kids, of family, of whatnot. Okay, so one of you is in love with the other person here and they feel like having a family. The other person is feeling very heavy and burdensome because right now they might not be ready for this family kind of a thing, or taking the situation to the next level kind of a thing. And that's why you guys feel like there is something off, there is something deceptive in the situation, and you guys are trying to figure it out. That's the deal here. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aquarius? Ace of Pentacles. Their intention is to have something solid, something stable, something long term. Then what's the issue? Let me clarify the Ace of Pentacles here. We have Two of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, a World card. They want to wait for some kind of situation to be over. There is some kind of another situation, another connection, another bond, another thing that they are dealing with. And they want to wait for the time very, very patiently when they will be able to end a chapter in their life that they're still dealing with, so that they can come forward towards you with some kind of solid long-term partnership kind of a offer. I told you, there's some kind of challenge here, blockage here, that you guys need to overcome in order to be with each other properly and honestly. So this person wants to wait and watch and let that other thing dissolve completely, or let go of that other thing completely, other person, other situation, so that they can come forward towards you with some kind of fresh offer, and you guys are able to create something stable and long term. This is their desire and intention. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Seven of Cups. From your side, you just want to let go of the emotional chaos and confusion that you guys are facing in this particular dynamic. There's a lot of emotional confusion, emotionally overwhelming energies around the situation. One day you guys are fine and then everything goes down, and then you're fine and then everything goes down. So you want clarity and understanding of what the actual heck is going on and what is going to happen next in this dynamics, right? Let's clarify the Seven of Cups here. We have the King of Swords, the Hermit, the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, you are giving me very straightforward energy of, Anjali, I want to cut the crap, cut the silence, cut the mysterious and secretive energies, and I want to have a clear cut understanding of what is going on behind the back, what is going on behind the scenes, and what we guys should do in order to make this situation go to the level where we want it to go. You want to put in the effort and energy only when you are going to get the proper clarity and understanding of what's going on the other side, what they are up to, and what they want. And that is definitely, you deserve this. You deserve this clarity. You deserve this understanding. You want to let go of this on and off, in and out, over emotionally overwhelming kind of energy, emotionally confusing kind of energy out of your life, out of your system. That's completely understandable. Awesome. Good vibes, good energies. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 9th of November. Two of Wands. It's like waiting, waiting and waiting. Waiting for something to show up, some kind of results. Let's clarify the Two of Wands. You guys are at a long distance, both for a lot of you. And even if you guys are staying in the same house, there's a lot of emotional distance right now. Let's see. Let's clarify the Two of Wands here. We have the Fool card, the Sun card, and the Nine of Pentacles. I'm getting this Nine of Pentacles in every fucking reading these days. What is happening? Everybody's detaching from everyone. It's like a theme. It's like a collective energy. Okay, so you guys are waiting for the time when you guys will be able to break free from the situation and be completely happy and be single, independent, and free from this bond, from this connection, from this dynamic, because you are kind of getting tired of this on and off, in and out, complete full of confusion kind of energy. You want it all with this person, or you don't want anything at all, and you're waiting for the time when you're going to be energetically completely detached from the situation, completely out of the situation, and being free, being happy in your own life and doing your own thing. So you are just waiting for the situation to either dissolve properly or evolve properly. So you're waiting for a breakthrough and you're doing your own thing. You are kind of forcing yourself to do your own thing because you still love this person. You still have emotions. You will not be able to let it go just like that, but you are preparing yourself for the day where you have to let it go completely, maybe at some point of time. Okay, that's cool. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Aquarius. Seven of Pentacles. Before jumping into any kind of conclusions from your side, take a step back, re-evaluate the situation from a distance, understand all the pros and cons and consequences of your actions or your decision, and then make the right choice or make the right decision, whatever it is from your side. So don't rush. Don't be in any kind of rush or hurry in making any kind of life-changing decisions or choices regarding this particular dynamic, because you might end up regretting it later on if you are going to do anything in just impulsive energies or rush or hurry. So take your time, take a step back, understand if you want this situation in your life or not, and understand the why, the deeper reason of why, and then make the move from your side of either letting it happen or letting it dissolve, whatever it is in your case. So re-evaluating your choices, your actions, and your decisions is going to be a good idea in order to have a good outcome for the highest good of your own life. Okay, Aquarius, that's the deal for you. Let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. It should be the same question related to your love and relationship area, only repeated 3 times. Okay, and I'm going to give you the answer for the same in the next 10 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is get more information. Okay, I told you, get more information. Let me read from the guide. Get more information. Where is this, honey? Yeah, this card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances. That will help. Okay, that's the answer for you. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.